right where I was gonna do was here, and there's a timber in the way. Now that would be catastrophe for us, because we would have to patch the hole and move the light somewhere else. You need to go out and get yourself one of these Walabot. So there's a timber right here. Alright, we're gonna move back of it like that. Timber's here. We're moving over here. And there's our spot here. Timber's there. That's how easy that is. Double check our spot. There's your timber here. There's your timber. So we're going over here, the safe zone. So we're good there. We know that this is 770 across, and this is 770 across here. Here we go. Timber was right there. And so, just because I was going to measure 905 off the corner of the bulkhead and 905 off here, and if I would have done that, I would have gone into the timber, made a big mess. We would have had to patch it up. The whole job would have been delayed. We probably would have lost a couple $100. So that's why it's always good to carry one of these on board. Walabot, brilliant tool, and I'll look forward to showing you again next time I use it.